Download this code from codegib.com, link in the description below. Comprehensive tutorial on FileBeat. FileBeat is a lightweight, open-source shipper for forwarding and centralizing log data. It is part of the Elastic Stack, which also includes Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, and Beats. FileBeat is designed to monitor log files and can send the data to Elasticsearch or Logstash for further processing. This tutorial will guide you through the installation, configuration, and usage of FileBeat, complete with code examples. Table of contents. 1. Prerequisites. 2. Installation. 3. Configuration. 4. Modules. 5. Running-filebeat. 6. Verifying data in Elasticsearch. verifying-data-in-elasticsearch. 7. Common use cases. 8. Conclusion. Prerequisites. A working installation of Elasticsearch and Kibana, optional but recommended. A server or local machine where you can install FileBeat. Basic command line skills. Installation. Step 1. Download and install FileBeat. You can download FileBeat from the official Elastic website. Below are instructions for various platforms. On Ubuntu/Debian. Bash. Uget https://artifacts.elastic.co/download/beat/filebeat/filebeat 7.16.3 amd64.deb. sudo dpkgi filebeat 7.16.3 amd64.deb. On CentOS/rhel. Bash. Uget https://artifacts.elastic.co/download/beat/filebeat/filebeat 7.16.3 x86_64.rpm. sudo rpm-6 filebeat 7.16.3 x86_64.rpm. On Windows. Download the zip archive and extract it. You can run FileBeat from the command line. Step 2. Enable FileBeat service. On Linux, you can enable and start the FileBeat service using bash. sudo systemctl enable FileBeat. sudo systemctl start FileBeat. Configuration. The primary configuration file for FileBeat is located at /etc/filebeat/filebeat.yml on Linux systems. Step 1. Edit the configuration file. Open filebeat.yml in your favorite text editor. Bash. sudo nano /etc/filebeat/filebeat.yml. Step 2. Configure input. You can specify which log files to monitor. Below is an example configuration that monitors the /var/log/star.log files. YAML. FileBeat.inputs. Type, log. Enabled, true. Paths. /var/log/star.log. Step 3, configure output. You can send logs to Elasticsearch or Logstash. Below is an example configuration to send logs to Elasticsearch. YAML. Output.elasticsearch. Hosts, localhost 9200. Or if you want to send logs to Logstash. YAML. Output.logstash. Hosts, localhost 5044. Step 4, optional settings. You can also set various optional settings, such as logging, to enable debug logs, add YAML. Logging.level, debug. Indexing, to customize the index name. YAML. Setup.template.name, myindex-**. Setup.template.pattern, myindex-**. Modules. FileBeat supports modules for various platforms and applications, simplifying the configuration process. Enable a module. To enable an nginx module, for example, you would run bash sudo filebeat modules enable nginx. Then configure the nginx module in the corresponding configuration file located in /etc/filebeat/modules.d/nginx.yml. Running filebeat. Step 1, Test configuration. Before starting filebeat, you should test the configuration. Bash sudo filebeat test config. Step 2, Start filebeat. Start filebeat using bash sudo systemctl start filebeat. Step 3, Check filebeat status. To check if filebeat is running properly, bash sudo systemctl status filebeat. Verifying data in Elasticsearch. You can verify that filebeat is sending logs to Elasticsearch by checking the indices. 1. Open Kibana in your web browser, example http://localhost 5601. 2. Go to the Discover tab. 3. Select the index pattern that matches the logs, example filebeat-**. Common use cases. Centralized logging, collect logs from multiple servers into a single Elasticsearch cluster. Log monitoring, monitor application logs for errors or specific events. Security monitoring, collect system logs for security auditing. Conclusion. FileBeat is a powerful tool for log shipping and monitoring. By following this tutorial, you should have a basic understanding of how to set up and configure FileBeat to ship logs to Elasticsearch or Logstash. You can further explore its modules and customize it according to your needs. For more advanced configurations and use cases, refer to the official FileBeat documentation, https://www.elastic.co/guide/n/beat/filebeat/current/index.html